Everything begins with charge. Before motors, before circuits, before light bulbs and satellites, there was something far more fundamental. Electric charge. Two types. Positive and negative. Simple, elegant, dangerous. And from these two, the universe builds force. Electric charge is a property of matter, like mass, like spin, like identity, and charges interact. Opposites attract, like charges repel, but not randomly. There is precision to it. Coulomb's law tells us exactly how much force exists between two charges. The equation, F equals K times Q1 times Q2 divided by R squared. What does that mean in plain language? The force increases when charges get stronger, decreases rapidly as distance increases, drops off with the square of distance, double the distance. The force becomes 4 times weaker. That R squared is everything. Distance matters, a lot. This is the first principle of electromagnetic control. Proximity shapes power. When charges move, something extraordinary happens. They create magnetic fields. Electricity in motion becomes magnetism. Wrap current through a wire, and a magnetic field circles it. Coil that wire, and the field strengthens. Stack the coils, and you create an electromagnet. Magnetic field lines are not decoration. They are a map of influence. They show direction of force, relative strength, interaction zones. And here's the deeper truth. Electric fields and magnetic fields are not separate forces. They are two expressions of one unified phenomenon, electromagnetism. Now, something even more interesting happens. What if a charged particle moves through a magnetic field? It feels a force, but not forward, not backward, sideways. This is the Lorentz force. It bends motion, it curves trajectories, it makes particles spiral. That sideways push is what makes electric motors spin, generators generate, particle accelerators function. The Lorentz force is motion sculpted by fields, force without contact, influence without touch. In the 1800s, one man unified it all, James Clerk Maxwell. He wrote 4 equations, and those 4 describe how electric fields begin and end, how magnetic fields loop, how changing magnetic fields create electric fields, how changing electric fields create magnetic fields. The last 2 are revolutionary, because together they predict electromagnetic waves, light itself, radio, Wi-Fi, X-rays, infrared, microwaves, all of it, the same force, different frequencies. Maxwell didn't just write equations. He revealed that light is electromagnetism in motion. Charge creates force. Motion creates magnetism. Fields bend trajectories, and changing fields create waves that cross the universe. This is the foundation. From these principles we build motors, medical imaging, levitation systems, stabilization technology, impact absorption. Electromagnetism is not a chapter in physics. It is the language of controlled force. Welcome to Track 1. Next lesson: induction, resonance, and how to harvest energy from motion.